May is Mental Health Awareness Month, something that officials say is important to highlight as nearly 1 in 5 adults lives with a mental illness. Cap KVU's Ellie Nakamoto-White joins us live in Pasco, where the Tri-Cities Dust Devils are preparing to play. Ellie, tell us what they're doing to spotlight this month.
Number 18, right fielder Francisco Del Valle.
Hi, Maddie. Yes, that's right. I'm here at Giza Stadium in Pasco, where the Tri-City Dust Devils are hosting their Mental Health Awareness Night. So I'll take a step out of the frame so you guys can see the people who are currently coming in. Multiple local organizations have set up tables to talk about the mental health resources that are available here in the Tri-Cities. As I say, that starting that conversation is the first step to breaking down any stigma.
If we don't talk about things, things don't change.
Starting a conversation is the mission at Wednesday's Mental Health Awareness Night at Giza Stadium.
That first act of reaching out and asking for help or finding the right source of help is really important.
Sponsored by the Recovery and Wellness Center of Eastern Washington, it aims to
give families and youth the resources they need.
Nationally, there are millions of people struggling with mental illness.
About 40 million people struggle with anxiety.
A number only increased by the pandemic.
About 21 million struggle with depression. About 28 million struggle with eating disorders.
In Washington, over 1.2 million have a mental health condition, and those are just the ones that are diagnosed.
Demand is just so high in this community, so it's even more important that we talk about it, that we normalize it, and that we just come alongside the community members that are in need.
Some studies show conditions like anxiety can develop as young as the age of 3.
If we can start talking about awareness and prevention, even at that age, just think of the change that can make.
Officials say it's important to note that anyone can face these challenges, and if you do, you're not alone.
It is okay to say I have anxiety or depression or an eating disorder.
If they are struggling, that it is okay to ask for help and it is okay to seek services.
Organizations are handing out lots of cool free swag to advocate for mental health. Here is a look at one of the backpacks that they are handing out to people. This one reads, "Thank you for asking about my mental health." So inside you can find things like stickers. This one says, "Mental health, let's talk about it." This one says, "You are not alone." Also inside they have pamphlets with local resources on them. They have notebooks, colored pencils. So they're really encouraging you to just come on out and just have a conversation with them. They'll be here all through the game. The game starts in just a bit at 6:30. Live in Pasco, Ellie Nakamoto-White, Cap KVU Local News.